Told my lawyer, fuck that case, I'm tired. They locked bro up for 3 guns, even though lil' bro had said they mine. I need Bono home, only nigga I know that speak his mind. I told bro I need to get back, he say get back home with time. I ain't ducking shit, I done seen the main op keep crying. Had to switch the whip, show my Hellcat logo, I went live. I don't be trusting shit, I don't even trust my bitch, I just trust my switch. I don't even trust my auntie who calls. I don't be trusting shit, stand up nigga, he ever get a bar, he ain't gon' never sit. This gang shit, run deep in my blood,